What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Shifting Lanes, and here I'm standing right in front of the GR Corolla. We're doing some hot laps with some professional drivers. Holy, we've got Ryan Tuerck. What's going on, dude? And we're here at Canyon Eagle Raceway. Here we've got the Circuit Edition, and right next to it, the one backing up, is the new Morizo Edition. So that actually is very limited because there's only 200 quantities. But what's interesting about this Morizo Edition, as we watch the other one fly by, is that this one is actually more powerful than the other one because this has been retuned to make 22 pound-feet of torque more than the other one. And also, this doesn't have a back seat. So no back seat, no rear window regulator, no rear wiper, and no rear wiper motor means that you're saving about 100 pounds. Also, the 6-speed manual transmission, it has a different ratio. So this is a little bit more special than the Circuit Edition or the Core Edition. But here we go, the GR Corolla Circuit Edition is taking off for its hot lap. And if you want to see what that hot lap looks like, let's go there right now. Hey, we're driving this GR Corolla right now, and we've got Ryan Tuerck. What's going on, dude?
How you doing?
I'm very happy right now because I can jump in this car you're driving it. Let's go!
All right, we're gonna start in track mode, which is 50-50 split.
Okay. Is that the preferred way of doing it?
That's my preferred.
Yeah.
I think it feels the best all around on the track. You can do the sport, which is 30 front, 70 rear. But I think the rear, I think it just gets a little too tail happy to run like a fast lap time.
Okay.
So it's nice to have the 50-50 where it kind of drives, the front drives around as well.
Cool, cool. Okay. And then 60-40 is like for daily driving stuff.
60 front, 40 rear is the normal mode.
Yeah.
Which is, the kind of the standard. That's the default.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Look at that. We've got the beautiful stick shift with Morizo on it. So this is the Circuit Edition.
This is the Circuit Edition. All right, here we go, baby.
Here we go. Smooth.
It is, man.
I love it. Oh. Yes. Feels like there's so much grip.
It's a lot, man.
Yeah. Wow. Do you feel any like understeer at all?
A little bit, just because these tires are pretty shot already.
Okay, wow.
Me and Castro have been really putting this car through its paces already.
Yeah.
You just got to drive it a little smoother.
Sure, sure. And these tires are still cold because it's been sitting for a while, right?
It has, yep. Come on, baby. Woo!
I guess that cup car got a point by.
What's up?
I guess that cup car got a point by.
I know.
Have you driven the cup car yet?
Not yet. I'm hoping to later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, but this was fantastic, dude. Thank you so much.
This thing rips.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
It's so smooth and like there's so much grip. Feels good.
It's really good. I think it's so well balanced. The feedback is really good from the steering wheel.
Yeah.
And it's just a predictable car to drive.
Very cool. Whew. How's that lunch?
So it's feeling all right. It's marinating right now.
Well, thanks for watching up to this point. If you want more information, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we make a new video. Let's wrap it up right there. My name's Hanson, and I'll see you in the next one.